How to use X or Twitter Spaces. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Spaces. Now over here, you're going to find ongoing spaces. You can join any of it. X Spaces is a live audio feature where users can participate in or listen to real-time conversations on topics ranging from casual chat to more professional and informative discussions. You just have to click on any of these spaces and you can join it. Likewise, if you want to create your own space, click over here. Now here you have to type in what you want to talk about. Then click on the option of Add Topics. Now go ahead and select the topics from given options over here. If you want to record the space, you can toggle on for it. If you want to enable video, you can toggle on for this option. And after you customize all the details, click on Start Now. With that, you have just created your spaces. Now how to use it. Here you'll find different options. You can use this mic on and off. Likewise, you can use these features. Likewise, if you want to show your spaces, you can click on this icon given over here. Various choices will be available. You can choose any of it to show your spaces. So this is how you can easily create and use Twitter Spaces. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.